Carnival Cruise Lines, they have announced a new Chief Culinary Officer. And once again, we have a Vista class cruise ship having engine troubles. Let's get into the cruise news. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, first up, Carnival Cruise Lines, they have announced that renowned chef Emeril Lagasse, well, he has been named Carnival's new Chief Culinary Officer. And he is going to be there to guide the food and dining concepts on Carnival going into the future.
I'm so excited to take on the most sweetest job at sea, Chief Culinary Officer for America's favorite cruise line. I'm really looking forward to helping bring new, exciting, and unique flavors to the Carnival Cruise experience. This is not only going to be delicious, but it's also going to be a lot of fun. Emeril Lagasse, Carnival's new Chief Culinary Officer. It does have a nice ring to it, doesn't it? Like, bam!
Food is key to the fun of a Carnival cruise, said Christine Duffy, president of Carnival Cruise Lines. Emeril's restaurants on our two new ships have been a great addition to our dining offering, and guests rave about the food, which will also be on Carnival Jubilee come next December. With Emeril's culinary expertise and the broader profile on our ships, along with our wildly popular partnership with Food Network star Guy Fieri, Carnival will feature two iconic talents in the food and dining industry across the fleet. So hopefully this means we will see some changes in the food on board Carnival cruise ships. Maybe some new options in the main dining room, some new choices, some new flavors. But time will tell if we hear anything about menu changes, option changes, or anything from Carnival Cruise Lines. After this announcement, of course, we will let you guys know. Well, once again, a Carnival Cruise Line Vista class ship, well, they are having engine trouble. The Carnival Panaroma, currently sailing a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise, is having an engine issue. It is affecting the maximum speed of the ship, and it, of course, is going to cause an itinerary change. So the Panorama was originally scheduled to depart Cabo San Lucas at 7 p.m., but because of the engine issue, that has now been moved forward to 2 p.m., so guests are going to lose 5 hours in Cabo San Lucas, and this is being done so that the Panorama can arrive back in Los Angeles at her regular scheduled time. As I shared in my announcement earlier, the ship is experiencing an issue that is impacting its cruising speed. While our team works on a plan to complete repairs, it is necessary for us to depart Cabo San Lucas earlier than planned. We will now be departing at 2 p.m. and all guests must be back on board by 1:30 p.m. ship's time. Now, this is the second time the Panorama has had engine trouble, right along with her sister ships, both the Carnival Horizon and the Carnival Vista. Well, all of them have had engine trouble. They are all part of the Vista class cruise ship. And each time it happens, it's always an engine issue, a reduction of speed, itinerary changes that affect cruise passengers. Now, we all know stuff can happen on cruises. It happens all the time, and other ships have engine problems as well, but it really seems to be a specific issue that is happening with the Vista class ships. Now, Carnival didn't say exactly what the problem is. They also didn't say what the problem was in the other times that a Vista class ship has had an engine issue, but it does kind of make me wonder, is there something in the Vista class specifically, something with that Azipod engine that is creating this kind of problem? Because when it's happened to all of the Vista class ships at least once or twice or more, you do have to start asking yourself, is it a ship problem? Is it a maintenance problem? Or does that particular class just have some really bad luck? All right, and that's going to be your cruise news video for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.